did some digging on the internet to see how much would it cost to order a custom made cake for a party, and I must say my wallet says no. No. Nuh-uh. I found this website that is over $220 and shipping is probably another $150. So I challenged myself to do a similar cake, but better and cheaper.
So, let's go get some groceries.
I'm at Whole Foods picking up 3 cakes, a strawberry shortcake, a carrot cake, and a mini chocolate cake for a total of $60. I also ordered from Amazon these cake toppers for under $10. The bottom layer, strawberry shortcake, has a lot of frosting, so I'm just redistributing it to other layers.
Look at this cake, man. Holy cow. Wow. How much insurance does this cake have? This liability insurance with that crane.
The vegan chocolate cake on top is a perfect smash cake because Sky is still allergic to egg.
We are ready for the party.
Happy birthday, dear Skylar. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, yummy.
Put the cow in the hoop. Put the...